What is core pull in injection molding? Injection molding is a manufacturing process in which molten material, typically plastic or metal, is injected into a mold cavity and allowed to cool and solidify into a specific shape. The process involves the use of a specialized machine called an injection molding machine, as well as a mold tool that has been designed to produce a specific part or product. One important aspect of the injection molding process is core pull, which refers to the movement of a core within the mold tool during the injection molding process. The core is a part of the mold tool that helps to create cavities, holes, or other features in the molded part. It is typically made from the same material as the mold tool and is moved or pulled by a mechanism within the mold tool during the injection molding process. Why core pull may be used in injection molding? The only reason is to create undercuts or features that are not possible to mold using a single cavity. For example, a part may have a hole or opening that is located in an area that would otherwise be impossible to reach with a single cavity injection mold. In this case, a core pull mechanism can be used to move the core out of the way during the injection molding process, allowing the molten material to flow into the desired area and create the desired feature. Another reason for using core pull in injection molding is to create parts with multiple materials or colors. By using a core pull mechanism, it is possible to inject different materials into different areas of the mold tool, allowing for the creation of multicolored or multi-materia parts. What types of core pull mechanisms may be used in injection molding? Several types of core pull mechanisms may be used in injection molding, including hydraulic, mechanical, and pneumatic core pull. The type of mechanism used will depend on the specific requirements of the injection mold tool and the part being produced. 1. Hydraulic core pull is a popular method of actuating the core within the mold tool. It involves the use of a hydraulic cylinder to push or pull the core as needed. This type of core pull is typically used for larger molds or for applications where high forces are required. 2. Mechanical core pull is another common method of actuating the core within the mold tool. It involves the use of mechanical levers or linkages to move the core as needed. This type of core pull is typically used for smaller molds or for applications where lower forces are required. 3. Pneumatic core pull is a third method of actuating the core within the mold tool. It involves the use of pressurized air to push or pull the core as needed. This type of core pull is typically used for applications where high speed and precision are required. What factors to consider when designing an injection mold with a core pull? 1. One important factor is the size and shape of the core pull mechanism, as it must be able to fit within the overall size and shape of the injection mold. The size and shape of the core pull mechanism can also have an impact on the final product, as it may create unwanted protrusions or indentations. 2. Another factor to consider is the material of the core pull mechanism. It should be made from a material that is strong enough to withstand the forces of the injection molding process, but also able to move smoothly and accurately. The material of the core pull mechanism can also affect the final product, as it may leave marks or other imperfections on the surface of the part. Conclusion: overall, the core pull is an important aspect of the injection molding process that allows for the creation of complex parts with multiple features and materials. It is a versatile and essential tool for manufacturers that rely on injection molding to produce high-quality parts and products.